No longer mourn for me when I am dead, than you shall hear the surly sullen bell give warning to the world that I am fled from this vile world, with vilest worms to dwell. Nay, if you read this line, remember not the hand that writ it, for I love you so that I in your sweet thoughts would be forgot, if thinking on me then should make you woe. Oh, if, I say, you look upon this verse, when I perhaps compounded am with clay, do not so much as my poor name rehearse, but let your love even with my life decay, lest the wise world should look into your moan and mock you with me after I am gone.
No! 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 Come closer. Come closer. Don't mourn for me after the funeral. Please, take this. Take this. But if you read it, try not to remember that it was me that wrote it. I don't want you to mourn for me when I'm gone. Please don't be sad. And if you do read it while I'm buried in the ground, please don't even say my name. Just let your love rot with me. I don't want people to use me to make you sad when I'm gone.
Ash!
Yeah?
It's a plastic axe, mate. Stop overacting.
Sorry.
Put your mask back on.
Right.